Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pretty button. Even beginner can make. You can make lots of things with this button. So many things. This is back side, this is front side. It's so easy. This yarn I use is sparkly. It has bit sparkle, but I'm gonna show you plain yarn but same pattern. It's so easy. I hope you will love this pattern. So let's start. So I'm using double knitting yarn and 3mm hook, 3.5mm hook. So 1 2 3 4. This pattern actually is multiple 4. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. So I have 28 plus 1. So yarn over 1 2 3 4. I'm gonna make in fifth. Okay, 3 this, 1 this, so 3 more double crochet. 1 2 3 in the fourth, make single crochet, then 1 2 3, yarn over, make the 3 more, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 in the fourth, make sorry 3, 1 2 3 in the fourth, make single crochet, chain 3, same space, 3 more. So this yarn was very one, two, three. 1 2 3 in the fourth, same stitch, 3 more, 1 2, then 3, 1 2 3 fourth, in the fourth, 2 3, same stitch, 1 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. So I have 4 stitch left. Last one I'm gonna make single crochet, so you can see. Chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, then chain 3, stitch, chain 3, stitch, with single crochet, chain 3, stitch with single crochet, chain 3, stitch with single crochet, chain 3, stitch with last one. So chain 3, turn, so gonna make always when this row is 2 rows, is this pattern in 2 rows, it will go 2 rows. So just make in the where I made single crochet there 1, 2, then 3, then at top of the next in the single crochet make single crochet, chain 3 again 3 double crochet there, 1, so 2, 3, here 3, make 1, 2, 3, again here chain 3, 3 double crochet, so viewers, my video has subtitle too. So first somebody asked me where is the you can put on subtitle, just click on the phone or whatever, then came up the CC there, then touch there, they're gonna on. So and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So chain 3, 1, 2, so count 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna top of the third, I make single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again this is back side, pattern's back side, this is front side. So it's so easy, not difficult. You can make baby blanket, scarf, so many things you can make with this pattern. So 1, 2, 3. So viewers, I forgot I was talking to you guys. So I need to make this row like this. Sometimes this happens. Chain 3, chain 3, chain 3, then touch there, chain 3, touch this space, chain 3, so we were no point to make the big video. So I hope you love this pattern. This is until the end your project, whatever you want to make. continue like this in 2 rows. So sorry about that, I made a very small pattern because I don't have time in these days. So it's no point to make big video because this is so easy pattern. I hope you're gonna love this pattern. It's so easy.